Today, we're going to draw a super cute and shiny starfish. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Welcome to tinyhandsart.
Yay! First, I draw a star shape. Then I draw another star shape inside it, just like a smaller twin hiding inside. Now I draw two cute eyes and a little smiling mouth. It's already looking adorable. Next, I draw some spines and small round ampollas on the starfish's body. And now, I draw three little stars around the starfish to make it look magical. Now it's coloring time. Let's do it. First, I pick gray color and fill in the irises of the eyes. Then, I use black to color the pupils and the upper part of the mouth. Next, I take blue color to fill all the round ampollas. And also color the three little stars with blue. Now, I pick yellow and color the entire body of the starfish. It looks so bright and happy. Finally, I use maroon color to fill the outer side of the starfish's body. Wow! It looks so sparkly and beautiful! And our glittery starfish is all done! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, tiny friends! Hello, everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute glittery sun with sunglasses. So, grab your colors and let's get started.
Welcome to tinyhandsart.
Yay! First, I draw the cool sunglasses for our sun. Then, I add two cute eyes, a little nose, and a smiling mouth. Now it's time to draw the round circle face of the sun. Next, I draw the shiny rays of the sun all around the circle. The sun is a big star. It's the closest star to Earth and gives us light and warmth. Now it's time to color. First, I use gray and black to color the eyes in the sunglasses frame. Then, I use light blue to fill in the sunglasses. It's super hot! The center, core of the sun is around 15 million degrees Celsius. Now, I color the mouth red to make it bright and cheerful. For the sun's face, I use shiny yellow glitter color. It looks yellow, but it's really white. From Earth, the sun looks yellow, but in space, it's actually white because it gives off all colors of light. And finally, I use orange glitter to color the sun's shiny rays. It's very big. You can fit about 1 million Earths inside the sun. It's about 4.6 billion years old. The sun has been shining for a very, very long time. All done. Our cute sun with sparkly sunglasses is ready and looking awesome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time. Bye! Today, we're going to draw and color a sparkly sand bucket with a cute smile. So grab your marker and glitter colors, and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw a cylinder shape. This will look like the body of our bucket. Then, I draw an oval shape on top that makes the open top of the bucket. Now let's add a shovel and a fork inside the bucket. Perfect for beach fun! Next, I draw some bumpy shapes inside. These are the sand sitting in the bucket. Lastly, I add 2 funny round eyes and a cute smiling mouth to make it look friendly. Wow, our drawing is complete. Now time to add color to our bucket. First, I pick gray and color the iris of the eyes. Then, I pick black to color the pupils. Now, I pick cyan blue to color the body of the bucket. It looks so cool! Then I use golden glitter for the sand and bucket's handles. Shiny and bright. Now I pick green to color 1 spoon or shovel. And finally, I pick yellow to color the fork. Awesome job! Yay! We've made a super colorful and glittery sand bucket together. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next fun drawing. Keep coloring, keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends! Hi, friends! Today we're going to draw and color 2 super yummy ice creams using glitter colors. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw the body shape of the first ice cream. Then, I add a stick at the bottom. I also draw some chocolate sprinkles on top. Now, I draw one more ice cream with a bite taken out of it. Ice cream is a frozen dessert made from milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings. Next, I draw some cute round circles around them for decoration. Now it's color time. First, I use light blue for the body of the first ice cream. The first ice cream is believed to have been made in China over 2,000 years ago. I color the sprinkles in the stick using magenta. For the second ice cream, I use red for the body. There are hundreds of ice cream flavors, but vanilla is still the most popular worldwide. I color the lines and the stick with green. Finally, I use purple to color all the round circles. Wow! Look how sparkly and colorful they are! Our glitter ice creams are all done! If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more colorful art videos! See you next time! Bye!